Audi has officially unveiled the new generation of the Audi RS5, a powerful sports car that replaces the legendary RS4 and becomes the brand's first high-performance model with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. One of the coolest features of the new Audi RS5 hybrid is the boost button. It's right on the sports steering wheel, large bright red with the word boost clearly written on it. Press it, and for 10 seconds the car turns into a real beast. The hybrid system delivers maximum power. Even if you are driving in pure electric mode, pressing the button instantly starts the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, opens the exhaust flaps for an emotional sound, and delivers full power. The price for the new RS5 sedan starts at approximately €106,200.
For sure the main inspiration is the motorsports. Our history in motorsports, our legacy, our victorious cars from Le Mans and the touring cars. This brings us a wide pool of inspiration when we work on these super sporty athletic cars. For us designers, it's really a dream to work on the RS5 because the base model is already super attractive, and on the RS we are able to enhance the proportions, we have better stands, we have a wider track. It's just a dream and it became a fantastic car. RS models clearly stand out with their proportions, so they are really extreme, they are enhanced, everything is linked to motorsports and the details are clearly there just to perform. We have a really powerful engine. This engine for sure needs air, and therefore the single frame got wider. The air intakes also improved the airflow around the car. The side view for me is striking because of two reasons. A sharp silhouette, super sporty, and a surface treatment that is communicating quattro in a bold way. There are three fascinating elements on the diffuser: the vertical fins on the outside, then the oval exhausts that are a RS trademark, and in the middle we have the vertical reflector that hints to our motorsport heritage. Carbon is a clear link to motorsports, and our carbon camouflage is our new take on this high-tech material. The RS5 Sedan is the perfect combination of elegance and the athletic DNA of our RS cars. It was a fantastic journey with our team to work on both cars, the Sedan and the Avant. The Avant enables our customers to go on a beautiful holiday trip with all the luggage that is attached, and to combine this with a really emotional way of driving the full RS experience. This combination is just fantastic. A special element on the Avant is for sure the rear spoiler, which has the double wing and integrated the brake light that reflects onto the rear window. The interior of the RS5 features a strong driver orientation, and we have the same focus on the details like in the exterior. We offer different packages, for example the carbon camouflage or the leather with the red stitching, and really special is the steering wheel for sure, with the two buttons, the boost button and the RS button, for the 100% RS experience. The treatment of the lights is really crucial for every Audi. For the RS, we came up with a checkered flag signature that adds another iconic element for the RS family. The RS5 is fascinating from every angle. We wanted to create exactly this wow effect. When people see this car, they just want to experience its power. It was a dream to work with our team on this car. My name is Wolf, and this is the all-new RS5.